Your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
We had the exact same setup a couple of weeks ago. We call it a Rex block. And when we had the Rex block at that time, we had widespread 90s in the area. We hit 94 officially at Greater Lafayette. That pattern is back. Big cutoff upper low in the southeast U.S. with rain and storms. The main upper jet is shifting way to the north, so big hot upper ridge is expanding this way. And then you got a trough in the west. So trough here, massive upper ridge, and a cutoff low here. That's called a Rex block. And you can see the heat and the fire danger all over the west. These pink areas are fire weather warnings, and this hot, dry air is on the move eastward. We won't have much in the way of humidity until the weekend. When you combine that with the general dusty conditions we've got as we're losing so much soil moisture every day, the cool season grasses, now that they are stressed, lawns are starting to brown. They're stressed, so they're blooming very quickly right now, and they're all blooming at once. The grass pollen very high now. It'll be very high tomorrow as well. Mid-50s to pretty close to 60 degrees tonight. A little warmer than it was last night. We were in the 40s to low 50s. A lot of sun tomorrow. Very high UV index. You will burn just like that tomorrow. Sunscreen, hats needed if you're headed outside for any length of time or out to the pool. A very light southeast wind, 90 for the high, but again, very dry air in place. Highs running about 84 to 90 area wide, mid 80s Logansport, upper 80s Florida Monticello to more like 90 towards Attica and Lafayette. Wednesday, mostly sunny, hot, not much wind, low humidity, 93 for the high after 65 in the morning, but still very low humidity. Upper 80s to low 90s are going to do it. 91 Frankfort, 93 Lafayette, to about 93 at Attica and about 91 at Fowler. There are the low dew points hanging on. I mean, here we go. This is tomorrow afternoon. Dew points in the 50s. They're going to be in the 40s and the 50s right through Thursday. So even though we're going to heat up more and more, the humidity still quite low. We start to get the humidity back up for the weekend, though. Winds turning to the southwest. And I do think by very late Saturday evening, Saturday night, a few storms possible. Getting into Sunday, we'll see some storms, and then the front may stall over the area next week. So really, for multiple days next week, we may see complexes of storms come through. With that, some risk of severe weather. Maybe a couple isolated severe storms Saturday night and Sunday, but it looks like the severe weather risk may come up a little bit a week from this week. We're talking early next week. As the front will be over the area, it will be unstable, it'll be very warm, and it will also be muggy. Hey, a 95 on Thursday, 96 on Friday, then it gets humid. Saturday, 95. It's going to feel like well over 100 before we get some scattered storms in Saturday late evening, Saturday night, into Sunday and Monday.
Okay, Chad, thank you very much.